Welcome back to the big old blue. So good to be back out here in the ocean. Because of the weather, winter, we've been hanging out in the fresh water most of it, doing some inland four-wheel drive stuff. Now the weather's starting to improve. It's time to get back out here where we belong, in the ocean, and do ocean things. So, try and catch some squid, maybe some whiting, just see how we go. Start off doing a bit of trawling here. Out there behind us over these weed banks, the water's pretty murky today, so not sure how we're going to go, but out here doing it anyway. Important, sunscreen. Oh, going the wrong way there. Oh. I thought I had a squid, but it was just weed. Good looking patch of nice weed down in here, so I might just oh, well, I got one just then. Yes, I did. How's that? I just turned it off to drift in through here, and one grabbed it. Ha! Can't complain with that. I actually did it. I only just got it, but I have got a landing net, so. Yeah. Look at that. Wicked. We'll just drift through here. Caught the bottom with this one. That's good. I think we'll just drift. Go a bit slower might be the key today. So I'm running this shiny one here. And I'll show you the other one in a sec. And this one here that just caught the squid. That one there just caught the squid, little browny colour I suppose. So yeah, just gonna do a drift. Got the wind, it's probably about 11 k's I suppose. And see if we can pick up another squid or two here. So stoked, so good to be back in the ocean, love it. Gonna switch up this little whitey one here. Check on this orangey, goldy colour. I just got myself. Orangey goldy colour there. And then I'll just run it on a clip swivel. Clip swivel. Straight onto the jig, straight in the water. Give that one a shot. Don't forget to give us some love, guys. You know, subscribe, like button, comment, all that awesome stuff. Check out our website too. I think it's up there. Grab some merch if you want, all that good stuff, man. Follow us on our socials, spread us around, share all of our content on your socials, or your friends and fam see it. Give us a hand to grow and we can keep doing this sort of fun stuff. But right now, I'm going to focus on some squidding. Yeah! Alright, that's on that little orange jig that I just switched over. Oh, he's tiny. It's not huge, but it's a squid anyway. That trawl didn't go as planned, and the two squid I've got are pretty small. The little tiny one's going to be used as a snapper bait when snapper season reopens. Just hook him straight in, just flick him over. The other one I'll probably keep for lunch. I don't know, we'll just go out there and have a shop. Let's get into it, let's go. Boom, we're in the kitchen. On the menu today, beer battered squid rings and a salad for lunch. Sounds good. These are what? Words. Right, these are the ingredients that you are gonna need to make beer battered squid rings. Squid, obviously. A pan, oil, butter for going in the pan, a bowl for mixing everything, flour, pepper, salt, beer, a whisk, and a knife. That is it, it's very easy. Let's get into it, I'll show you how it's done. Right, obviously you want to chop your squid into squid rings. If you don't know how I clean the squid, go watch the other video of the catch and cook of squid and I'll show you how to clean squid in that video. But it's pretty easy. You rip the head off, you pull the wings off, you give them a clean, you pull the skin off, you flip them inside out, you get the guts out, done, simple. Right, chop your squid rings up like that. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Next step, flour in a bowl. That'll do. There's no exact science to this. Bit of pepper, or a lot of pepper, depends how you like it. Salt, don't need too much of that. We just add beer and whisk it as we go. Just introduce the beer slowly, goes a bit thick, add a bit more, so it's a nice battery consistency. Obviously, if you're doing like a lot of fish or something, you'd probably use a bigger bowl, but we're only doing a little bit more, little tiny bit more beer. Whew, should be good. Oh, I've just sprayed it everywhere, so it's a nice battery consistency. If you make it too runny, just add more flour. All right, pan time. I don't have a deep fryer, so we're gonna shallow fry this. Oil. That should be enough. And then I like butter because butter's awesome. It's not super healthy for you, but it is delicious. So a bit of butter. There we go, a bit of butter, a bit of oil. Onto the stove. Heat. Wait till that melts. Gets a nice amount. If it's not deep enough, add more oil or more butter. Right, once that's hot and ready, throw some squid in. Squid in the batter. Get it all. Stir it around. It's a nice big coating on it all. Make sure it's all coated real good. You can let it sit for a little while, chuck it in the fridge and let it sit if you want. Don't have to. I'm just going straight into the pan. So you want them nice and coated. Ready to go in the pan. Right, back to the pan. Right, hotter. Right, it's in there. If you have a deep fryer, I would suggest using the deep fryer because then they can like float around and stuff, but here's all good with the shallow fryer. Just get them sizzling away, maybe a minute, 2 per side, flip it over, boom, do the other side and you're done. Oil spoon. Flipped over. 45 seconds on this side, I reckon. And then we'll get it over here with the salad. Salad. This is gonna be delicious. Done. Let's get it on the plate. On the plate. Looking good. Oh man. That is so good. Try yourself some beer battered squid rings. You'll enjoy it. And a salad and a beer. It's amazing. If you guys want some stubby holders, they're on the website, so check it out. Also, if you want some shirts and stuff, website, check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me. Do yourselves a favour, catch some squid, try it like this. It is really, really good. Check out our other videos, man. Comment, tell us if you like what we're doing, if you want me to do more cook-ups, less cook-ups, just, you know, all that good stuff. Love you guys. Cheers. Mwah.